Students, in this video lecture, I will be discussing you the interconversion of one organic functional group to another. So let's start. Alkenes. When alkene is treated with HX hydroacid, then it forms alkyl halide. When alkene is added with water in presence of acid, it forms alcohols. And when alkene undergo hydrogenation, here the catalyst are nickel, palladium, platinum. So it is called catalytic hydrogenation. Alkanes are formed. When alkenes react with hydrogen, that is hydrogenation, alkanes are formed. Now when alkanes react with halogen X2 like Cl2, Br2, then alkyl halides are formed. Alkyl halides when treated with water or NaOH or KOH undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form alcohols. Alcohols when treated with conc H2SO4 gives alkenes. This is an example of dehydration reaction. Alkyl halides when treated with ammonia gives amines. There are three different types of amines: primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines. Primary amines is RNH2, secondary amines R-NH, tertiary amines are R-R-N. Now, when alcohols are oxidized in presence of mild oxidizing agent, they form aldehydes. Aldehydes on oxidation give carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid when treated with sodium hydroxide forms sodium carboxylate, which when treated with soda lime gives alkane, which when treated with soda lime undergo decarboxylation reaction to form alkanes. Carboxylic acid when treated with ammonia and heated, it gives amides. Amides, if you do the reduction of amides, you will get amines. If you do the reduction of nitriles, you will get amines. So keep this in mind. Now alcohol when treated with HX give alkyl halides. Alcohol can also be converted to alkyl halide by treating with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. SOCl2 is called thionyl chloride. The thionyl chloride method is the best as other two products are gases. So keep this in mind. All these reactions are very useful for your upcoming exam. Now when carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in presence of conc H2SO4, esters are formed. Esters have fruity smells. So they can be detected by their fruity smells. Reduction of esters, carboxylic acid, aldehydes gives alcohol. Reduction of esters, carboxylic acids and alcohols. Reduction of esters, carboxylic acid and aldehyde gives alcohols. Alcohols when they are treated with phosphorus, red phosphorus and HI, they form alkanes. Even aldehydes, ketone, etc., carboxylic acid, they form alkanes when reducing agents such as red phosphorus and HI are given to them or treated. They are treated with red phosphorus and HI. So these are the way that you can learn different conversions of one functional group to another. So alkenes on addition with HX give alkyl halide. Alkyl halide when treated with NaOH, KOH, H2O gives alcohol. Alcohols on dehydration give alkenes. Alkenes when treated with or it undergo hydrogenation to give alkanes. Alkanes treated with X2, Cl2, Br2 in presence of HNO gives alkyl halide. Alkyl halide when treated with ammonia give amines. Amines when treated with HNO2 gives alcohol. When treated with HNO2 gives alcohols. Alcohols on oxidation give aldehyde. Aldehydes on oxidation give carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol to give esters. Esters, carboxylic acids, aldehydes on reduction give alcohols. Ester on reduction give two different alcohols depending upon the groups attached to the esters. Esters have fruity smell. Carboxylic acid when treated with sodium hydroxide gives sodium carboxylate, which when treated with soda lime to form alkanes. Carboxylic acid when treated with ammonia forms an ammonium salt, which when heated gives amides. Reduction of amides give amines. Reduction of nitrile gives amines. So these are the interconversion between different functional group. Student, I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos in future. Thank you, students.